Problems 1 through 6 are 6-step. Problems 7 through 12 are 7-step. Okay? Which means they are a lot longer. Let's go over this, all right? And there are just a few new tricks up the trade right here, okay? Look at number 1, all right? Your number 1 is negative 12, in parentheses, divided by 6 squared minus 2 divided by 2 times 12 minus 6. Okay? This is what we're looking at. Here's the thing. All right? You might want to write this down in your notes. We have a new term called categories. Okay? Categories. When these categories are dealing with your left to right rule. Okay? Is dealing with your left to right rule. What does this mean? Well, this means that inside of this equation right here, or this evaluation, you can use the left to right rule in different spaces, and I'm about to show you that. But what best works is if you do your multiplication and division first. Multiplication and division goes first. And then your addition and subtraction goes last. Okay? This is what happens. So, what do we mean by this? Well, look at this. Let's do our PEMDAS. This helps, this helps when you, when you want it to. Okay? It's best if you put it at the top of each and every paper. It's best if you do that because it'll help you, just in case you forget. So when dealing with PEMDAS, first things first, we gotta get rid of the parentheses, right? So, do we see any parentheses up there?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. Parentheses, right here, boom. Negative 12 divided by 6 is what? Negative 2. Well, we're not out of the parentheses just yet because we still have this what right here?
Exponent.
Exponent. So, we have parenthesis negative 2 to the second power. Minus 2 divided by 2 times 12 minus 6. All right? Oh, I'm sorry.
It's negative 6.
Divided by a negative 6.
I'm on minus 6.
Yeah, divided by a negative 6. I am so sorry. But this also proves my point. Was I going fast?
Taylor Brooks to the office with the things. Taylor Brooks to the office with the things.
So, I was going fast. So therefore, slow and steady wins the race. If you move fast, you make fast mistakes, okay? See, even I'm guilty of it. All right? So let's slow it down. We have this exponent right here, right? Remember exponents. Remember exponents. Okay? When you have exponents, a to the third power, that's a times a times a. Negative a to the third power is negative a times negative a times negative a. Okay? So just be aware of this. Remember this, okay? So, when looking at this, negative 2 squared. What's negative 2 times negative 2, Harmony?
Huh?
Huh? Honda. What's negative 2 times negative 2?
Negative 4.
Negative times a negative is,
Oh, I mean positive.
thank you. 4 minus 2 divided by 2 times 12 divided by a negative 6. Now, this is where the category comes into play, all right? Pay close attention, all right? This is where your category comes into play. If you notice, we can't necessarily do the left to right rule because of this subtraction sign right here. But what we can do is the left to right rule right here with this category, okay? And this is one of the reasons why your multiplication and division go first, because up here, multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction, right? Same rule applies right here, okay? So in this type of situation that we're in, we can do our left to right from right here. What's 2 divided by, what's negative 2? I'm sorry, I should have pulled that over.
Oh.
Yeah. What kind of 2 is that?
Negative.
A negative. So what's negative 2 divided by 2?
Negative 1.
Negative 1 times 12 divided by negative 6. What's negative 1 times 12?
Negative 12.
Negative 12 divided by a negative 6. What is negative 12 divided by negative 6?
Negative 3. Positive 2. Oh,
Positive 2.
Yeah.
Okay?
Wait,
Positive.
where'd the 4 go?
And I'm getting to that.
Oh.
All right? The 4. Now, we got done with this part, right? Now, this 4 right here, this 4 right here comes down. Okay?
So wait, then
What kind of 2 is that, Gabe?
It's a positive.
There you go. So we have 4 plus 2. What's 4 plus 2?
I'm 6.
6.
My favorite number.
My favorite number is the.
Why would it be a plus
My
sign?
favorite number
Huh?
Why would it be a adding?
is the positive.
Negative 12 divided by negative 6 equals what kind?
Wait. Wait, but
It's like
Yes.
so what if they weren't negative? What if 12 and 6 weren't negative? Would it still be addition?
Well, if 12 and 6 were both positive, a
Yeah.
positive divided by a positive is a
Negative?
positive. Don't you have this written down in your notes?
Yeah. I'm writing down notes.
Don't worry. Keep up the good work. I see you working. I'm going at this slow. Y'all pay attention, okay?
Yes, sir.
Look at number 3. Number 3 is easy.
No. Oh.
Okay, I'll do number 3.
what's number 2?
My mom.
Yes.
Number 3. Okay? You have 3 minus a negative 3 divided by 1 minus a negative 4 plus 2 plus 1 minus 5. Okay? Get rid of the parentheses first. When you go inside the parentheses, what starts over all over again? PEMDAS, okay? So, you're subtracting a negative right here, right? What happens?
Turn it into a plus sign. Ow!
Turns into a plus sign.
Dang, man. Hit my ankle.
It's okay. You're subtracting a negative right here. What happens?
It becomes a plus sign.
A plus sign. Again. Good job, Harmony.
Big brains.
So, let's get rid of this parenthesis. We have 3 plus 3.
6.
6.
Wait,
Alright? 6 divided by
Wait, that was a negative though.
Oh, wait, I have a question. Then we just changed that. You said it's a negative.
That's a positive. That's a positive.
Yes, then you took out the negative.
Yes, homie.
Okay, so I noticed like on my test, like I got confused
3 minus
with that,
3 is
how you make
zero.
it into a, how you make the two,
You're
the
subtracting
two plus
3
sign
from
into
3.
a plus, not make it to negative sign, like when you know, like saying something, like I was confused, like what
No, I just
happens if the
realized.
first number is a negative, would you still do it?
What?
Yeah.
Okay. So if say that 3 was negative,
You didn't know what you said.
If the first number was a negative,
yeah, would you just subtract it?
yes, because this would still turn into a positive, and then Gabe's notion would then be true. It would then be 0. But because this 3 right here is a positive, and because you're subtracting a negative right here, it turns into a positive. So
Okay.
therefore 3 plus 3 is equal to 6.
Okay.
So
Big brain.
let's move from left to right here. What's 1 plus 4? 5. Plus 2 plus 1 minus 5. What's 5 plus 2?
7.
Plus 1 minus 5. 7 plus 1? 8. Minus 5.
Whoa, that's a
Dude, I looked away for
What
1
is
second.
it? 3.
No.
Yes, it is 3. Alright?
And then you gotta bring down the 6 and divide it.
Alright? Therefore, 6 divided by 3 is 2.
Wait.